Today I'm going to be showing you how to simply hide your friends list so that other people on Facebook can't see who you're friends with. Let's jump in. So I'm on my mobile device, but this method still works if you're on your desktop or iPad or anything like that. So we're just going to open up our Facebook app. And from here, we're going to go to Menu down in the bottom right-hand corner. And then we're going to scroll through here. We're going to go to Settings and Privacy. And from here, we want to go to Settings. And then we're going to scroll down till we see under Audience and Visibility, you want to click on How People Find and Contact You. You'll see right up the top, you can see your friends. You can see who can send you friend requests, so you can change that. But what we're looking at here is who can see your friends list. So you click on that. Right now I have it set to public, but you have several options here of how you want this. You could either just say friends. You could say friends except for certain friends. You could say just specific friends. So you could just select key people on your friends list that you want to see that. You could just select only me, which this makes it totally private. None of your friends, none of your non-friends, anybody else on Facebook can see that. Or acquaintances, which is you would pick, hand choose individuals that you want to be able to see that. And once you have that selected the way you want, you click on save. And just like that, you have hid your friends list from everybody else on Facebook. I hope you found this video helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.